Hi guys, Stacey here at the farm, and today we'll be talking about 5 reasons why you should start gardening with your kids. As we already know, it's well documented that it's very beneficial for you and your kids to garden together, and the fact that you're exposed to plants is also mental benefits there, and it also creates a great bond between you and your children. First reason for why you should garden with your kids is that they will learn to respect nature. If you see them pulling out flowers and plants, when they start growing their own, they will truly appreciate it. Second reason is that it encourages your child to eat healthier. It's proven that when children are out gardening their own produce, they're more likely to eat the food they're growing themselves, and also later on in life they will have more healthier ways of living. And their own produce are filled with vitamins, fibers, and natural water that their body needs compared to the stuff you get in the grocery store. So gardening with children improves your body and your mind. And the more you're outside gardening with your kids, the more likely they are to be happier outdoors, and they're lessons to get any depression or anxiety in their life. It also reduces any stress or any bad emotions that come into them. Gardening gives you a new hobby with your child. When you see a plant going down in the soil and you actually nurture about that plant, it also gives the children some kind of discipline, if you will say. They will go out and they will follow up on their crop, and they will more likely be excited about if it's growing, and they will really nurture it and take care of it. So that's a good way of doing it. Fifth reason is that it will save you a lot of money for grocery shopping. Since you are able to grow your own crops, you no longer have to go to the grocery stores to get what you need. So now that you have all these 5 reasons for why to start gardening, guys, nothing can hold you back. Get out there and start gardening. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed all these 5 reasonings. And now it's just to get out there and start gardening with your kids. We do have a full article if you're interested in getting more reasons for why you should garden with your children, and it's linked down here below. Thanks for watching.